everybody, in today's video we are going to show you how we can create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using AI tools, totally free and in just a few minutes. So let's just get started. So you can open up any of the free AI thumbnail makers. Some of the best option, and one of the best option is Canva AI Maker or Canva Magic Studio. So you can head over to canva.com for that and open it up. And once you go to canva.com, what you need to do is basically go ahead and type your video topic in the prompt box. So for example, if you want to go ahead and look out for this template option, and here in this prompt box, you can just go over and look out for this Canva AI option, select it, and here describe your idea and it will bring it to life. So you can just go over and type your video topic in the prompt box. So for example, create a thumbnail for a YouTube video, grow YouTube fast. So let's say this is one of the thing I would like to do. Once you type in that, you just need to hit enter, and the AI should generate multiple design ideas instantly on your screen. So you can just go over and wait for some seconds. And here what you can do is you can add up your photo, your logo design, enter up your title text, adjust the background colors, add emojis or icons for attention. So you can just go over and do so. You can see the thumbnail right here. It should start finalizing a decision. Right here you can look out for different kind of AI thumbnail available here. So you can even go ahead and add up any kind of descriptions. For example, you can add up your photo, or you can type in use bold text, etc. You can just go and add up different descriptions or write in something, keep low light background. I'm just gonna use low light background for the thumbnail. And once you're okay with the details, you can hit enter. And just wait for some certain seconds for AI to generate your thumbnail again. And it will just go over and suggest matching color palettes and layouts for you. You can just go over and wait for the changes. And once you are happy with it, you just need to click on the download option. So look out for the thumbnail that you're happy with. And there we go. So once you're okay with it, you can just go over and download it. So for example, let's say this is the one I want to download. Once you find it up, you can just go over and download the video. So you can click on save as. And I'm just going to go over and save it right here in this folder and click on save. Once you click on save, the picture should be saved. Now what you can do is you can upload it directly to your YouTube video. You can head over to youtube.com for that. And head over to the video where you would like to add a thumbnail. So you can go to your profile in the top and select up YouTube Studio. And once you select YouTube Studio, here you can look out for content and look out for your content right here. Look out for the pen icon and just go over and add up the thumbnail here. You can just go over and look out for the thumbnail option, this one right here. And here, click on upload file. And you need to be verified for that. You can just go and verify yourself and select the image that you just downloaded using AI. So you can just go over and find that particular one and just go over and add it, which is this one right here. So that is it, everybody. If you'd like to go ahead and add a thumbnail, you can just go over and follow this process. For that, you've just made a professional thumbnail using AI, no Photoshop needed. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching this video.